Welcome to our Software Ideas Modeler tutorial channel. Today, we'll explore creating an efficient package diagram with nested packages. Let's dive in. First, let's start by creating a root package. This will be the primary container for our nested packages. Now we add our first nested package. Notice it's a bit large, so let's resize it to fit our diagram better. To maintain consistency in our diagram, we'll set a default size for all packages. Right-click on the Package tool and choose Default Size, then Set by Selected. Let's continue building our diagram. We'll add the second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth package, following the same size and style for each to maintain uniformity. With all packages in place, let's organize them neatly. Select the root package, right-click, and choose Container Layout, then Table. This arranges our nested packages into a structured table layout. Notice how we can resize the root package, and the nested packages adjust proportionally, covering the entire parent package area. This feature allows for dynamic resizing while maintaining the structure of your diagram. And there you have it, a well-organized package diagram with nested packages efficiently arranged in a table layout. This structure not only enhances readability, but also brings clarity to complex diagrams. The proportional resizing feature adds an extra layer of flexibility to your modeling process. Thank you for watching our tutorial on creating a package diagram with nested packages in Software Ideas Modeler. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more insightful modeling tips.